My name is Stephen Mills. I am the power plant specialist here at the Robert S. Kerr Power Plant. My people here have to go from one extreme electrically to the other extreme mechanically. We go from confined space to very high heights. We go from floodgates to working on generators. So we have to be very, very diverse.
So Robert S. Kerr gets all of the water from Keystone all the way down the Arkansas River system, from Eufaula, Ten Killer, Fort Gibson. All the water that passes through those plants ultimately ends up here. So we generate more electricity than any other plant in our district. So in a perfect world, normal day-to-day stuff would be preventative maintenance and things like that. A lot of our work is breakdown maintenance. So our job is to keep these 4 units running and producing power.
Up until recently, these units had ran with very little issues, major issues, for a long time, and they got a lot of production out of it.
And a lot of these jobs, we have smaller crews, so it takes everybody together. It's not there's a lot of times where we just have to come together. Like when they build scaffolding in the turbine, we're all down there throwing boards in.
What we do really provides a service for more people than most get to affect, and I think it's a really good thing. Honestly, I think my favorite part is the people I work with. For the most part, most of them are real knowledgeable, good people.
I probably got the best crew there is. They're very diversified. They can be working on the generator one day, and the next day they can be repairing in the turbine or whatever they need to do. They get along extremely well, and I couldn't be more proud of this group than the group I have right now.